So right from first day, we were quite confident about the way we started, the planning, everything, strategy, everything was clear. The alignment, the communication between me and Chaitanya was perfectly fine. For the first 2 days, we had very good start. We had given a very good. I still remember the second day we were leading the championship. The DNF that we got in SS6 costed us the most because everyone completed except me and I think one more car. After that, third day was okay. We went back straight from first to sixth. Similarly, we maintained fourth, fifth day, and then we started falling, and wherever we were the fastest because Chaitanya, as everyone knows, he is one of the fastest driver on the stages. We screwed up by having a top one and a DNF, and we lost the championship there. We never gave up, but we knew that we will not be able to catch.
They were wonderful SS. More than anything, to be in RFC, it's like you live for yourself. To be in RFC, it's like something like you big boys playing with the big toys. We are still a child inside with a grown-up toys and expensive toys.
I think it's a change from the last years, so you get to see something new, get to see something which is more challenging. And I think the new format that RFC has introduced, where you give time for people to maintain and attend to the cars, has brought a lot of positivity in the whole event. I think, as I say, it's getting better with every year, and I'm looking forward to the next year already.
Because first 2 days were okay, and after that, I think some Morgan's car started giving trouble, and Sam's car was good stand. I guess it was a good for Sam at least. The whole event he covered up properly and everything. He's standing 10th.
सामने लेके जाना थोड़ा भी मत लेके जाना।
ਫਿਰ ਉਹੀ ਤਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਕਹਿ ਰਿਹਾ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕਹਿ ਰਿਹਾ ਵੀ ਉਹ ਬੈਟਰੀ ਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਲਾਉਣਾ
ਯਾਰ ਉਹ ਤਾਂ ਬਿੰਚ ਤੇ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਆ ਨਾ, ਉਹ ਤਾਂ ਲਾਣਾ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਪਾਂ।
ਆਹ ਤਾਰ ਕੱਢਣੀ ਹੈ ਦੈਟ ਇਜ਼ ਵਾਟ ਆਮ ਸੇਇੰਗ ਇਫ ਯੂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਕੱਢਾਂਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਲਾ ਸਕਦਾ ਫਿਰ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਕੱਢ ਦੋਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਬਿੰਚ
ਮੇਰੀ
ਜਾਂਦੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ
ਸ਼ਾਂਤ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੋਟ ਆਦਮੀ ਨਾਲ ਕਲਾ ਉੱਪਰ ਲਈ ਉਹ ਜਿਹੜੀ
ਮੇਰੀ ਗੱਲ ਸੁਣ ਮੈਂ ਕੀ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਇਹ ਦੋਨੋਂ ਬੈਟਰੀਆਂ ਆਪਣੀਆਂ 12 ਤੇ ਚੱਲਣ ਬਸ ਪਤਾ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਪਿਛਲੀ ਵਿੰਚ ਵੀ ਬੰਦ ਹੋ ਜਾਣੀ ਹੈ
ਬੰਦ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਣ ਦਿੰਦਾ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਦਾ। ਉਹਦੀ ਕੱਲੀ ਉੱਪਰਲੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਮੂਰੇ ਰੀੜ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਆ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਖੋਲ ਕੇ ਇੱਧਰ ਲਾ ਦੇ, ਠੀਕ ਆ। ਉਹਦਾ ਟਰਮੀਨਲ ਬਾਅਦ ਚ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਉਹ ਬਿੰਚ ਨੂੰ ਮੇਨ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਉਹ ਉੱਥੇ ਜੜ ਕਰ ਦੇ। ਤੇਰੀ ਬੈਟਰੀ ਚੱਲ ਬਿੰਚ ਚੱਲਦੀ ਰਹੂਗੀ ਤੇ 12 ਵੋਲਟ ਸਪਲਾਈ ਵੀ
ਹੋਰ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਹੋ ਹੁਣ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਹੁਣ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਬਸ ਆਹ ਤਾਰ ਖੋਲ ਕੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਲਾ ਦੋ ਭਾਈ ਹੁਣ ठीक है
और ये लगा रहेगा?
हेलमेट पा के आजा मनप्रीत माड़ा ये इधर नहीं लगा यही बोल रहा हूँ ना इसका ये पॉजिटिव है इन्हों थल्ले ला दो इत्थे भाई इत्थे हां क्या कर रहे किरण हां इन्हों इत्थे ला दो हम बहुत लोग इधर पीट रहे हैं पकड़ के हम कुछ नहीं किया इधर
ਭਾਈ ਉਹ ਬਿੰਚ ਦੀ ਤਾਰ ਲਾਉਣੀ ਲਾ ਦੋ ਚੱਲਦੀ
आगे का मिनट नहीं चलेगा अगे नहीं ना चलूगी
ਫਰੰਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਚਲੇਗਾ
हां बस पिछली चलूगी अपनी मैं बहुत पिछले वाली चलानी जरूरी है
24/7 नहीं चलती
ਚੱਲੇਗਾ 24 ਰਹਿ ਗਈ ਯਾਰ ਬਿੰਚ
और भी 24 ही है
वही कर रहे थे ਆਪਾਂ।
वो तार अगे लाई
हाँ पाजी ओए ओए आगे क्या करनी
वो टर्मिनल पे लाने वाला है।
आ गया पाजी पहले बात देख लो बाहर है पूरा
लगा देंगे
क्या नाम है उसकी बैटरी बदल लो।
आ 13 नंबर हां इधर
ਆ ਤੇਰੇ ਪਈਆ ਆਵੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਪਈ ਬਿਲਡਿੰਗ ਤੇ ਆਇਆ ਬਿਲਡਿੰਗ ਕਿਹਦਾ ਮੋੜੇ ਨੂੰ ਉੱਪਰੋਂ ਕਰਦਾ ਨਾ ਗੱਡੀ ਬਾਹਰ ਕੱਢ ਕੇ अरे पत्रा ऐसा डालने का था ना टायर के नीचे
तो सब ये लोड पुटिंग या
प्लेट दो अरे तेरा प्लेट इधर डालेंगे यार
I'll put tie belts सुनो नो
इधर इधर डालेंगे ना प्लेट इधर
नहीं जाएगा
वो अंदर वो बोलेगा मार लगा
नहीं मार लगेगा
ऊपर टाइल्स डाल दूंगा
मैम यू आर नॉट यूजिंग योर टूल गाइस अरे बिजू भाई मारा भाई मारा अरे बिजू भाई का
Sixth.
Yes, first day we were on.
How we managed to climb.
Fifth? No, we were on fifth the first day.
Yeah.
And then we dropped a little bit after that. We dropped to sixth. We slowly started climbing back up. Finished finally at third. So the mistakes we made on the first 2-3 days cost us the second place. So the game is just keep your car together and don't make mistakes. Just play safe.
I don't say it was easy, but it wasn't even tough. Okay, one or 2 days which were very heavy rain, so the mud was sinking and all. That's okay. Otherwise, it's all doable. Nothing was like not doable. It was all doable. So that's just good. Even in my half-broken car, I should say, I completed all SS. I just had 3 DNF because like my axle stud broke twice. Once it was very dark, very late, and nobody was around, and I didn't want to take risk because if anything goes wrong, there is no rescue team to help you out. I don't want to take that risk. So once that was personally I took a DNF. Frankly speaking, that was the 1% DNF which I took. And today morning, my alternator bracket broke, due to which power steering was not working. Then the engine started heating up. No battery charging, car couldn't start, so I have to take DNF. And there was a compulsion that today morning, once before lining up, whatever you could do and manage your car, you do. After that, nobody's allowed to touch your car. No support team or no service team. So we didn't have chance of, or we were not. I should say, me and Dushyant are not expert enough to do that. So ultimately, we have to take a help from a support team, and got it done. And I came honestly and told the management that I have took a help, and I made my car run out.
It was a good year, but we were struggling for first 2 days. We covered up. Ultimately, we did well after the performance. Had little issues with pitches and all, but then all went well. I think I'm top in my category. I'm top. Then the results come out.
This is very tough this time. The track looks easy, but it was very painful to vehicles and for the competitors. As well as this time we really feel this is the rainforest challenge. Because of this rains continuously we feel.
I want to even thank each and every individual from RFC, because when I was stuck there, you have to believe me, I don't know whether you people have captured or not, 10 to 12 drivers from all corner of India came to help me. They somehow want my car to start, and so that I could participate in it. The effort was speechless.
निकल गया है। नहीं यार मंदिर नहीं बच्ची
कोई नहीं आई गाड़ी मम्मी पापा ही नहीं आए
ओके आओ मैं
वापस आइए ये गया
Abhinav! 3 trees. No, it's not hooked. No, it's not hooked. It's not hooked. I can cross.
बंडे वंडे में कुछ रहने वाला है और थोड़ा ऊपर ले रिकवरी को नीचे जाना पड़ता नहीं लेफ्ट गुड हाँ इन हाँ खींच थोड़ा हाँ खींच गुंजो और थोड़ा खींच ले अंदर जाके बैठ जा रे लिमिट तक खींच अंदर जाके बैठ जा ऊपर चढ़ रहा
This year, one thing was very dangerous was the monsoon. No food supply, no vegetable supply. Whatever we were feeding on, whatever we had stock from Mumbai, we were all on it. Transportation was a pain. There is a cab strike, so no private cabs available. Whatever we could do, like instead of Even if it's a 5-seater, we are accommodating it for 9 people because that was the only way and only source of transportation what we could use. And we even used a competition vehicle. In fact, we even used a Polaris to commute from one place to another place. But anyway, RFC is always close to our heart.
It was designed very well. David from Australia, he's a pro. The work he does is phenomenal. And it was a good track to be on. Good work. A lot of rocks this year. Normally, it's a bit different a lot of other things. But this year, too much of rocks. It was a good track, good fun, new experience for all of us.
From day one, it was like raining cats and dogs here. So all the participants were very enthusiastic and they performed very well. The weather didn't permit them, but even though they did really good, everybody deserved this situation and this season of RFC. And this season of RFC was like toughest ever. I would say that many people broke their vehicles, many people just fixed the vehicle within like half an hour or 1 hour's time, and it was wonderful. हमने तो enjoy कर लिया भाई. Cheers for RFC.
Team Fremont unfortunately hasn't had the best time this season because one, we had a mishappening with Alex having hurt himself, and then subsequently the cars developed snags which were unpredictable. So overall, I think there's a lot of introspection for the team to do, go back and look at what things went wrong and how to improve them. I've had a long word with Sam, and I hope that we'll have some more focus on the maintenance of the vehicles when they are getting ready for the next season.
Just go to Sadiq. Go to Sadiq. Go to Sadiq. Good. Go to Sadiq. Go to Sadiq. Just throw it and sit inside, man. Turn right, come. Turn right and come.
Bad luck for Mervin. We have some wiring issue and Mervin vehicle couldn't turn up. But more worse than Alex honked and met with an accident. His hand got snapped in the windshield rope and his first finger got broken and he was operated in Manipal Hospital. Thank you for the Manipal Hospital. Thank you to Ashish Gupta and special thank you to Kanika who really helped them to get it organized and get it operated and for the coordination whatever she could do with the management. Thank you Cougar Motorsport once again, and thank you Luija for a wonderful event. If you people would have not brought RFC to India, we would have not been educated to this kind of off-roading. We would have not been exposed to the kind of people. Because of RFC, we happen to know the people from all the corner of India, whether people from Chandigarh or from the people down south, like straight you say from Kanyakumari. We know everybody. This is what RFC is all about. You happen to know everyone, you happen to meet everyone, and this fraternity is a small fraternity. We are around 50-60 cars, but all well-to-do people with good mindset, to perform, to play. This is something wonderful feeling to be here.
This time it was a little easier, I feel. But the climate didn't support it. There was a lot of rain, so I guess that's it. But the SS was completely, like, really long thing, so it was as tough as last year or a year before that.
I think overall the team is gelling together, and it's fantastic to see somebody approaching this motorsport professionally. And I think Samir Poonawalla is the first one who's introduced professional approach as a team, and I think that's the way forward. I think he's a trendsetter. He's a person who got a vision. Hopefully he'll realize it in the years to come.
बात सही है भाई
Doctor, how was your experience this year?
Fantastic, dude. I think I could have been better, but
Next year maybe.
I'm really feeling sad, very emotional right now. It's end of 2019 RFC, now looking forward for 2020. And as every year I say, we keep improving. Again, I promise you, next year will come, and will come with a bang. Will come with a good car. Will come with a good concept. Something what me and Mervin have in mind, and we will see to it that we work on it. So for that, ciao for this year. See you next year, 2020.
This is the end. The last stage being run now, and what an event. I know I've been involved with the RFC in Malaysia since '98, and this would have to have been one of, if not the toughest events. The weather conditions were absolutely unbelievable. Never been in weather conditions like this, so good year. Congratulations to everyone. That's all from MM. See you later, eh? Bye.
Trying to get it out to WhatsApp. I'm not getting 4G. I tried everybody's hotspot. So frustrating. Anyhow, overall winner, Gurmeet. Chetan. Second place is Anand. Third place is Ujjwal. Fourth place is Abhinav. Second place is Dot. I've been crowned Entertainer of the Year.
Sir, there's one flying sick here. There's one flying sick. Last time flying dog, this time flying. Where is Sandeep? I saw the picture. Hey, Muchi Guma.
Flying Cheetah is Anand. After Sandeep.
No, Sandeep, you're not announced.
You didn't announce. Sandeep is next. Gaurav is 7. Then is Cedric. He's late for everything. And then Kranti. And Bijubhai again. As soon as I have network, I'll share that. Right, thank you guys. Super effort. Let's have a big clap for all of them.
Who are we? Who are we?
Next, Louis.
Let's be careful, RFC India! Hip hop! Hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
very sad to say that it's the end of the day. It's the last day for RFC and we have to go back tomorrow and again to the basic in the daily life. It's sad, but still, this has to happen. Congratulations to Gurmeet Virdi for coming first. Congratulations for Anand Manjuran. What a wonderful drive this both the guys had, and really congratulations again for Mocha people, especially Ujjal. Awesome and patient drive. We were so clueless about their victory. They were like just pulling off from the day one. From the day one they started and they made it so easy.